Hi everybody, welcome to the another episode of Chinese Friendly Teaching. I hope you guys doing well, and today we are going to learn some of the sight words. Sight words are nothing but high frequency words which were used in common, and we can say that recognizing word by sight. By seeing, we have to recognize the word, that is called sight words, and we have to memorize. Children have to memorize these words. There is no other strategy to decode these words, and we have to make our children memorize these words. And these sight words will help our children become faster fluent readers. And these all sight words are not spelled the way they sounds. That is why we have to memorize these sight words. We have to make our children memorize these sight words. And today we are going to know how to teach. We are going to learn how to teach our children sight words in 5 steps. Very easy steps. We can make our children learn sight words very easy and very soon. So our first step is take a pointer or use a finger. Take a pointer or use a finger, and you have to make your children pronounce the word. Only word. Pronounce the word by taking your pointer or your finger in this direction, down direction. And by this children will know the pronunciation of the word. And on our next step, we are going to spell the word. We have to spell the word. A-N-D. And again, while pronouncing, go down. A-N-D. And. A-N-D. And. Now the people know the spelling of the word. And our third step is tapping. Tapping on arm, tapping on table, tapping on wall, tapping on floor. If you find people near to wall, ask them to tap on wall. If they are sitting on chair, on table, on bench, ask them to tap on their leg. And if they are really sitting on floor, ask them to tap on floor. And I am going to show you how to make them tap the. First I am showing you arm tapping. See here. A-N-D. And. A-N-D. And. A-N-D. And. A-N-D. And. On table, A-N-D. And. A-N-D. And. A-N-D. And. Ask them to do same with wall, with floor, and with their legs. This is the third step. And our fourth step is air writing. Ask them to write in air. See, still I have the habit of writing in air. So ask your children to write in air. A-N-D. And. A-N-D. And. I use my pointer. A-N-D. This is the way I write in air. But their children know, they are very tender. So ask them to write as they point their pencil. A-N-D. And. A-N-D. And our fifth step is write and check. Write and check. And so many people hesitate to use slate when they comes to upper primary. That is not the good thing we are inculcating in children, because using slate is a good habit, because they practice more on slate. So I feel up to 5th there is no I feel is up to 5th we can use slate. In my tuition classes I use slate for 6th student also, because based on their standards I use slates for 6th standard students also. Don't hesitate to use slate. And our 5th step is write and check. Make your children write on slate for few times and ask them to write the letter backside of the slate by not seeing. Ask them to write backside of their slate, and let them check. So this is called in terminology, this is called assessment as learning. So people assess themselves, people analyze themselves. What I feel is, make children know themselves first. So by that we can expect much change and more results from children. Knowing about themselves is up to the mark, and if we make them do that, the people know that what they in what they are lacking, and in what they are really not good at, and in what they are really good at. They know themselves fine, and there is a chance of molding children, not molding children, molding themselves. They people mold themselves. Molding children is another one. We mold children by giving some situation, by giving some activities, but what I feel is, if they mold themselves, it would be permanent. I feel it would be permanent. So that is why we have to make our children analyze themselves. This is the good way of teaching, I feel. And this is in the same way, teach them this all sight words: and, a, the, of, have, be, I, at, they, his, with. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and make your children learn sight words, because they are very important in writing, reading English. So make your children learn sight words, and hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Just stay tuned to my channel and do subscribe our channel.